how to convert TikTok Paylater to Gcash. In this video, I'll show you how to convert TikTok Paylater to Gcash. So to get started, go ahead and open TikTok on your device, and then on TikTok, go ahead and head over into the shop section. Now, take note that TikTok Paylater is designed for buy now pay later purchases with TikTok Shop. So it's not officially convertible to cash, but users have found a workaround to indirectly access their funds. So go ahead and search for TikTok Paylater to Gcash on the TikTok Shop. So go ahead and look for TikTok Shop sellers who offer Paylater to Gcash conversion services. The seller lists items that you buy using Paylater. So once you have found one, go ahead and place an order using Paylater and then select the item and choose TikTok Paylater as your payment method. Confirm the order and wait for the seller to process it. Now, once the order is confirmed, the seller sends the equivalent amount to your Gcash account, and this is usually done manually. So make sure the seller is reputable. So confirm receipt and close transaction. Check your Gcash balance and leave feedback or confirm the transaction with the seller. So you can also find it on TikTok videos. Only transact with verified TikTok Shop sellers or those recommended by trusted sources, and avoid deals outside TikTok Shop unless you're confident in the seller. And that is how you can basically convert TikTok Paylater to Gcash.